90% people using AI wrong, and that's exactly why they are not getting results as they expect. If you have ever tried AI and felt like the answers were too generic and confusing or not just useful, the problem isn't the tool, it's how you're using it. In this video, I will show you how to prompt AI correctly to get better results, using a simple system that can instantly improve your outputs. Once you fix your AI prompts, you can get 10x better results without switching tools or wasting time. This isn't a theory, this is coming from my real experience building a one-person business with the support of AI, testing what actually works and sharing what gets real results. In this video, you are going to learn exactly how to prompt ChatGPT for better answers and understand the real reason why most AI users struggle. Prompting correctly isn't about writing longer prompts, it's about using the right structure and clarity so AI can actually understand what you want. I will break down a simple prompt structure that beginners can follow along with some of the best prompt engineering techniques used to get high quality results. You will also see real examples of AI prompts that actually work, so you can apply them immediately for content creation, blogging, graphic design, or even be more productive. If you have been wondering how to write prompts for AI tools without getting frustrated, this will completely change how you use AI. Think this as your secret prompt formula to stop using AI wrong and using it like a pro. Here's the reality. Most people don't fail because AI is bad. They fail because they don't know how to prompt ChatGPT for better answers. And this is where the biggest mistakes happen. The first mistake is bad prompts. People type things like write a blog post or give me ideas and then wonder why the output feels generic. AI isn't a mind reader. It responds exactly to what you tell it. The second mistake is no context. If you don't tell AI who the content is for, what your goal is, or what style you want, AI will just guess it, and most of the time it guesses wrong. And third mistake is unrealistic expectations. Many beginners expect perfect results in one try, but AI works best when you guide it step by step, not when you expect magic instantly. That's why so many people say AI doesn't work or the answers are bad. In reality, they are just using it the wrong way. If you fix your prompts, everything changes. So what's the right way? A good prompt is not about writing more words. It's about giving clear instructions that AI can understand and execute. This is the difference between random outputs and AI prompts that actually work. Let's make it simple. I will give you an example. A bad prompt look like this. Write a YouTube script about one-person online business. It's too broad, no direction. Now compare that to a good prompt. Write a 5-minute YouTube script for beginners, one-person online business using the support of artificial intelligence. Keep the tone simple and engaging. Include step-by-step instructions. See the difference. One is vague and other is structured and specific. When you understand how to write prompts for AI tools, you stop guessing and start controlling the output. That's when AI becomes powerful. And to make this even easier, I'm going to show you a simple system. A repeatable AI prompt structure you can use for anything. This is where everything changes. If you have been struggling with AI, this is the part that will fix it. Instead of guessing what to write, you can follow a simple system I call RTC or framework. This is one of the best prompt engineering techniques you can use as a beginner to get consistent, high quality results. It stands for role, task, context, and output. You will never struggle with prompt again. The first step is role. You need to tell AI who it is. Most people skip this, and that's a big mistake. When you don't define a role, AI gives general answers. But when you assign a role, the quality improves instantly. For example, instead of saying, give me marketing ideas, you say, act as a digital marketing expert. Now AI starts thinking from that perspective. You can go even deeper. Act as a SEO expert, act as a professional copywriter, act as a YouTube growth strategist. This one small change can completely update your results. This is one of the simplest AI hacks for beginners, but most people ignore it. The second step is task. This is where you clearly explain what you want. This is where most people go wrong because they are not specific enough. If your task is unclear, your results will be unclear. Instead of saying write something about AI, say write a 1000-word blog post explaining how beginners can use AI to improve productivity and how to start a one-person business with the support of artificial intelligence. Now the AI knows exactly what to do. You can also break tasks into steps. Give me 10 ideas, then expand idea number 3 or 5 into a full outline, then turn it into a script. This step-by-step approach is one of the best prompt engineering techniques because it gives you control over the output instead of relying on one single response. The third step is context, and this is where most people completely fail. Context means giving AI the background information it needs to produce relevant results. Without context, even a good prompt can give weak answers. You should include things like who is your target audience, what is your goal, what platform are you creating for. For example, simple. This content is for beginners who want to start a one-person business with the support of AI. The goal is to educate and keep it simple. The platform is YouTube. Now the AI understands who it's talking to and what results you want. If you are creating content, you can also add tone. It may be friendly, professional or simple. And style, maybe step-by-step, storytelling or list-based. This is how you turn average outputs into AI prompts that actually work. Context is what makes your content feel real instead of generic. Final step is output. This is where you tell how to present the answer. Most people ignore this, and that's why they get messy or unstructured responses. You can control format. It may be list, table or script. Length, short or detailed. Tone, simple, engaging or professional. For example, give the output as a step-by-step list with clear headings. Keep the tone simple and beginner-friendly. Another example, write this as a YouTube script with a strong hook, clear sections and engaging language. This makes your answer clean, usable and ready to publish. Once you combine role, task, context and output, you have a complete AI prompt structure that works every time. Now let's put everything together so you can see the difference. I will give you a normal prompt, bad prompt. Write a blog post about one-person online business. Results generic, boring and not useful. I will give you a good structured prompt. Act as an expert content writer or write a 1000-word blog post for beginners about how to start a one-person business with the support of artificial intelligence. The audience has no prior experience. The goal is to educate and keep it simple. Use a step-by-step structure with clear headings and keep the tone engaging and easy to understand. Result will be clear, targeted and high-quality content. The difference between guessing and knowing how to prompt AI correctly to get better results. Once you start using this system, you will notice something powerful. AI stops feeling confusing and starts becoming a real tool you can rely on. Now that you understand the structure, let's take it further with some of the best prompt engineering techniques that can instantly update your results. First, be specific. The more clarity you give, the better the output. Instead of saying give me ideas, say give me 10 YouTube video ideas about how to start a one-person online business. Specific inputs create powerful outputs. Second, use step-by-step instructions. Don't try to get everything in one response. Break it down. For example, first ask for ideas, then outlines, then full content. This is how you guide AI instead of overwhelming it. Third, ask for examples. If you are not sure what a good answer looks like, tell AI to show you one. This is one of the easiest ways to learn how to prompt ChatGPT for better answers without guessing. Fourth, iterate your prompts. Your first result doesn't have to be perfect. Refine it. Ask AI to improve, simplify or rewrite. This is where most beginners quit, but this is where real results happen. Finally, use constraints. Tell AI what to avoid, limit word count, or define tone. Constraints removes randomness and give you control. When you combine these techniques with a solid AI prompt structure, you move from average responses to AI prompts that actually work. This is how you stop using AI wrong and start getting consistent, high-quality results. Now let's make this practical. I will show you how to use this system in real situations, especially if you are creating content or trying to start a one-person business with the support of artificial intelligence. As example, blogging. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use AI to speed up the process. I will give you a prompt example. Act as an SEO content writer. Write a blog post for beginners about how to start a one-person business with the support of AI. The goal is to educate and rank on search engines. Use a clear structure with headings and keep the tone simple. This gives you a strong draft. You can refine and publish faster. You can use this in YouTube content creation. This is where AI becomes powerful. Prompt example. Act as a YouTube script writer. Create a 10-minute script about how to be productive as a one-person business owner. Use a strong hook, engaging tone, step-by-step structure. Now you have ready to use a script in minutes. Third, and another case you can use this in real life. And another use case, affiliate marketing. This is you can connect AI directly to income. Act as a digital marketing expert. Write a product review for beginners, promoting a smart home device or any software what you want. Highlight benefits, keep persuasive, and include a clear call to action. This is how you start building content that can convert into income. When you understand how to write prompts for AI tools, you are not just saving time, you are building a system. These are real examples of AI prompts that actually work, especially for creators who want to grow and monetize. Let's quickly recap everything so you can apply this immediately. Most people struggle with AI because they make simple mistakes, vague prompts, no context, and expecting perfect results instantly. That's why they feel like AI doesn't work. But now you know the difference. Instead of guessing, you can use a clear system, the role, task, context, and output framework to create structured and effective prompts. This alone can completely change your results. On top of that, you learn some of the best prompt engineering techniques like being specific, using step-by-step instructions, asking for examples, refining your prompts, and adding constraints. When you combine all of this, you move from random outputs to consistent and high high quality results. That's the real power of learning how to prompt ChatGPT to better results and using the AI right way. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to break down more simple systems like this to help you draw faster using AI. If you want to go deeper, watch my previous video, Best AI Tools for Beginners Can Use. It saves you hours of time and help you choose the right tools from the start. And if you are starting from zero, check out my video, How I Build a 1% Business Using AI with No Money. You will see exactly how to turn these skills into income. Now you know how to prompt AI correctly to get better results. Start using it, test it, and improve every day. See you in the next video.